Corporate power of attorney. Are you a business owner or executive? Have you heard of a corporate power of attorney? Today, we are going to discuss what corporate power of attorney is and why it is important for your business. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. A corporate power of attorney is a legal document that authorizes an individual or entity to act on behalf of a corporation in legal matters. This individual or entity is referred to as the attorney-in-fact or agent. According to a recent survey conducted by the American Bar Association, 51% of businesses reported having a written plan for business continuity, which could include the establishment of a corporate power of attorney. So why is a corporate power of attorney important to companies from all sorts of industries? First and foremost, it allows for smooth and efficient operations of your business in case of unexpected circumstances. For example, if a key executive or manager becomes incapacitated or unavailable, the attorney-in-fact can step in to make decisions and sign important documents on behalf of the corporation. Additionally, a corporate power of attorney can provide protection for your business in case of legal disputes. If your corporation is involved in a lawsuit, having an attorney-in-fact who is authorized to act on behalf of the corporation can help ensure that legal matters are handled properly and efficiently. Another advantage of having a corporate power of attorney is that it can help your business in its dealings with banks, financial institutions, and other third parties. The attorney-in-fact can sign documents, negotiate contracts, and conduct other important transactions on behalf of the corporation. Lastly, having a corporate power of attorney can provide peace of mind for business owners and executives, knowing that their corporation is protected and prepared for unexpected events. So, if you haven't already, it's important to consider establishing a corporate power of attorney for your business. It can help ensure smooth operations while providing protection and peace of mind. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about corporate power of attorney, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our business formation experts right now, 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the concept of corporate power of attorney? Do you think the advantages could benefit your business? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.